Welcome to CodeRush, Feature of the Week. Today, we're looking at cognitive features in CodeRush. So Mark, what have you got for us today?
Rory, today we're going to talk about voice commands in Visual Studio. Being able to take control of the entire IDE using your voice. I'm going to start with probably the killer #1 feature, which is file open. It's especially a killer feature if you've got huge solutions with tens of thousands of files, hundreds of projects. You know the file name or maybe part of the file name. There's no way to find it using the mouse or the keyboard in a short period of time. For example, I'll hold down the control key and I'll say, open XML doc comment completion tests. And there it is.
Wow.
That's how.
Just trying to think about how long it would have taken me to type that into any search box, even if I brought one up in time.
Yeah, exactly. Open action prompt options. There it is right there. It's that fast. Open action services. Right? And this is inside a solution with, I think, 15,000 files inside of it. So it's very, very fast at opening files. It's probably, for me, the biggest payoff, the biggest bang for the buck feature for voice commands. Use this all the time. The second most useful command for me is the show me command. You can say show me followed by the name of any Visual Studio tool window right along here. And you'll see that. So, for example, I can hold down the left control key and say, show me Git changes, for example. And then that opens up, right? I might say, show me CodeRush test runner. And it should open up the CodeRush test runner. Show me Solution Explorer. Show me immediate. Show me task list. There's the task list in the background there, you can see. It provides accessibility into some of the harder to reach tool windows, for example, like Watch 1 or Parallel Watch 1.
Yeah.
Modules.
I mean, those are tool windows that I'm vaguely aware exist, but I've never, ever opened them because I can't remember the keys, and frankly, I don't know which menu item they're on, so you've got to go searching, and it's too much like hard work. If I can just say show me and then name it, wow, there's so much more functionality I can access.
Yeah, exactly. So show me and the name of the window, and it'll open it up. You can add your own custom voice commands. Let's take a look at those. So if we go into CodeRush, we bring up voice commands like this. But if I want to create my own custom voice command, I can click up here to add a new folder, make it a top-level folder, and call it my custom, like that. Okay. Inside here, I'm going to click this button right here to create a new voice command, words to say. So let's create a voice command that uses CodeRush's selection embed capability. So,
so this is the one where CodeRush wraps a piece of selected code in some additional code.
Yeah. I'm just noticing there's a command right in here for try catch, embed try catch. Let's grab that and try that one right there. Normally, I'm accustomed to the embed command followed by a parameter to execute it, but it looks like I got a dedicated one right here. Let's add a context to it. So this voice command will only be available when there's a multi-line selection. Okay? And the words to say, let's say try catch, like that. Now this option right here allows semantic equivalence. What this is going to do is first it's going to try to find an exact match for what you've said to the command, and if it finds it, it executes it immediately. But if it can't find an exact match and it finds maybe something close, it's going to send it off to OpenAI for analysis, and that's what allows semantic equivalences for. So, for example, I might, if I change this to embed try catch, I might be able to now say wrap in a try catch instead. Let's try that.
Okay.
We'll try it. So embed try catch is my voice command, and now let's grab some code. Select it, get a multi-line selection, hold down the left control key, and say embed try catch. And there it is, right there.
Nice.
And let's undo it, and let's come in here and let's select it again and hold down the control key and say wrap this selection inside a try catch. And there it is.
Oh, there you go. So, it's very much like some of the other features that we were showing. You don't have to get it 100% right to get the effect you're after. And even a slight miss is useful.
Yeah. Yeah. It's that's exactly all of it. And because you don't have to get it exactly right, it's tolerant of you forgetting portions of the command, for example. And which also means the burden on you to remember the exact phrase is gone. You just have to say something like, hey, build my project, right? Or please compile and make my project.
Assemble my project.
Right.
Things like this, as you say, semantically equivalent and can be judged to be so, will give the same result.
Yeah. And that's it. That's it for voice commands. You can create your own voice commands. You can edit the existing ones that come with us. Voice commands can be have semantic equivalence, and you can use voice commands to improve accessibility to every file in your solution, as well as all the tool windows that come with Visual Studio.
So we can open files, we can toggle various tool windows, we can even make selection embeddings and custom voice commands of our own. That's fantastic, Mark. Thanks very much.
Thanks, Rory.
For more Feature of the Week videos, click one of the 2 video links on screen or select from our playlist. Download and learn more about CodeRush from the DevExpress website. And be sure to subscribe to our channel to receive all the latest CodeRush feature videos. See you next time.